All right, welcome to another how-to for Canvas. This time we are going to be looking at rubrics, attendances, and conferences. So on the left-hand side blue column here, this is your navigation column. You have rubrics. With your rubrics, you can actually create rubrics for a course. It's super simple. You just go up, add rubric, and you start to fill it out. So you can describe the criteria by clicking these edit buttons that look like pencils. And let's say I want this one to be students will master the content. Please be more specific than this. This is just the sample version. So one way to be specific is to use your goals and scales, and your top criteria be that level 5 and your lowest be that level 1. With help, I can do levels 2 and 3. So update criterion, however many points that you need to do. Add another one, new criterion, we'll say level 3, standard mastery. Add criterion, level 2, recall, and new criterion, level 1, with help, I can. So now you have your criterion. It's worth however many points. You can obviously change this to specific writing prompts and what you need for your subject area. This is just an example. Once you create the rubric, it actually saves. It's a total of 20 points. You could use these rubrics to grade assignments with, and once you have one or a few saved, you can actually use them repetitively as long as they meet that assignment and how you want to grade. And you can save the rubrics as well, which is really nice. If you don't like this rubric, of course you can edit or you can delete. I'm going to delete because this is a course that's already published. The next thing on the list is attendance. So attendance will show you how to use roll call. So you have a list view and you have a class view. You can also create a seating chart by dragging students over. So we'll put 1, we social distance. Should give everybody enough space. You can do what you need to do with that. You can zoom in. You can move out. You can click on a student and you get some additional information. You can take attendance this way, but don't forget that with Pinellas County Schools, you take attendance on focus. So do not forget to do that within the first 10 minutes of your class. One easy way to do that is to have your focus account pulled up on your computer while you are also giving a virtual lesson, and you can cross-reference the attendance list to the participant list that's in Teams. I know that gets a little tricky, so at one point I will create a video in how to do that, and it will be just how to do all things simultaneous teaching, because right now that's the world we live in. The last part of this video that I want to show you is conferences. So conferences is something that you might not use often, but it is just a feature of Canvas. So you add a conference and it only gives you Big Blue Button to use, but here's the downfall. We do not have a license for Big Blue Button. But if you are a district or somebody that's watching that does have access to Big Blue Button, this is how you create a conference. You schedule it, 60 minutes, enable recording, no time limit if you want, provide a description. You can click invite all course members or remove all course observer members. I'm going to click no because this is already a published course, so I don't want to send people messages. But if you clicked yes, they would all get an email inviting them to the conference. You click update, and once you're in, you would click start. That will then take you to big blue button. When you're done, another button would come up here that says end. You click end, and this conference would then drop down to this concluded conference area. Because this is already a live class, I'm going to click delete. And you now know how to use rubrics, attendance, and conferences. I know that was super quick, so if you have questions or need help, please drop a comment or a question below and let us know, and we will get back to you. Thank you so much.